Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. Guys, today I want us to talk about Savage Beauty Season 2. Ha ha ha. I'm already done with the season. I'm already done with this season. I'm just now patiently waiting for season 3. Because guys, why are they giving us such limited episodes? We need more, okay? We need more of the drama. We need more of the thrill, guys. So if you have not watched Savage Beauty Season 2, I don't know what you're waiting for, because in this season, guys, Udon and Grace, they are enemies. Dawn and Grace are enemies. They are just trying to kill each other, and Udon was not there. Dawn was not in the mind of killing his wife. But yeah, this was all started by Grace, Yes, Grace, guys. Grace hates Udon in this season, okay? I know season 1, Grace hated Udon, but it was not that deep, it was not that deep, man, to go to an extent of killing each other, Kodwa guys, season 2, Grace tried by all means to kill Udon. She started by doing car accidents, and then his car burnt, but Udon survived. Went to the hospital, and then when Dawn went to the hospital, she changed his pills to put pills that would drive him crazy. Then Dawn started being this crazy person, manje, who is just hallucinating, guningi, Then Dawn at the hospital, they took blood tests, and they were like, no, you have a poison in your system. They told him the type of pills that he took, and he was like, okay, right. This means that someone switched off the pills. He got it veluti, as in someone was switching off the pills. So Kesana Udon went and confronted Grace, but we all know Guti, she is just going to deny it. She denied the whole thing. Then Udon also started now with a plan for revenge, a plan to kill Grace, man. So Kesana, he started plotting, and then Grace was kidnapped, guys. He was kidnapped, he was tortured, He was kidnapped by Udon, tortured, but he didn't kill him. I think these people are in a love-hate relationship of some sort, Because why? And another thing that made me angry, Kesana, in this season is that Zinhle was killed like beginning of the season. So the whole season, we don't see Zinhle. Like, why? The whole season we don't see Zinhle. We just see Uthando. Uthando is Dawn's second wife, right? Thando is pregnant with umntwana kaDawn, and she was about to get married to Ulinda, who is Dawn's firstborn daughter. I guess we know from the first season, when the season ended, they were already together, they were staying together, right? So now Uthando finds out that she's pregnant. She tries to hide it from Udon, but her mother told Udon, Dawn, you need to step up, you need to do something. Thando is pregnant with your kid. Then what happens? Dawn now is trying to get Uthando back, and then they just discuss what they are doing this for the child. Now they are staying together, but for the kid, not for their not for the relationship and all of that, Then Gesana, they stay together, but Udon gives Uthando a condition that oh no, it's Thando. Thando gave Dawn a condition that I think it was 5% or 2% shares with Savage Beauty, And when I heard her saying that, I was like, yes, girl, you deserve it for all the trauma that he has put you through. You deserve it, girl. You deserve to have something to fall back on, because Udon and Grace, they are so unreliable, guys. Udon and Grace, they will leave you in the desert without water, you know. So Kesana Udon was like, okay, fine, I will give you the shares, but on condition that you break up with Ulinda, who is Don's firstborn daughter, right? He was like, you know what, I will give you the shares, but you have to break up with my daughter. And then Geutando was like, okay, fine, because she knows that she needs the money, right? But they went back together, you know. They went back together. Hey guys, guningi, you know, in the season, guningi nje. I don't wanna tell you all the details and spoil it for you, but you guys will see it for yourself. Guningi, and it's going down, Kesana. You know, I'm just really sad that Uzinhle is dead, and Uzinhle was killed by Grace, by the way. But I don't believe that she's dead, man. I think maybe she will come back on the next season, like on season 3, because all along, Mina, I was thinking Uzinhle is the main character in this series, and then now she's dead. Like, kanjani, how do you do that? You know? Zinhle is dead, and Udon killed his son Undumiso in an attempt to kill Uzinhle. So Udon was seeing things. He was seeing Undumiso left, right, and center, until he admitted, you know what? I killed my son, I killed Undumiso, and now he's haunting me, guys. Please help me. You know? So Undumiso is also in this season, but as Ispoki, upokela Udon. I don't want to spoil all the details for you guys. You guys just go and watch it and see it for yourself. That's all I will share for now. But hey, guningi guys, please subscribe and like this video. I will see you on my next one.